Welcome guys. This is going to be the video where we will be announcing the first 10 finalists who will be entering our big lucky draw to win this beautiful Denago Rover XL at the end of the year. So, congratulations, winner number 1, Billy Kier.
Awesome. Number 2, Marius Chick.
Then we have number 3, Jacobus Center.
Number 5, Damien de Cal.
And then we also have number 4, which is Sean Herman. Let's not skip number 4.
Number 6, Demerap Pillay Naidu.
Woo! Go Deborah! And then we have number 7, who is Peter van Sail.
Congratulations. Number 8, Paul Prinsloo.
Bye, Polly. Then we have number 9, who is Punlani Mlobi.
Finally, number 10, Rochelle Harvey. Congratulations.
Congratulations to our first 10 finalists. Just a friendly reminder, guys, if you do sign up for the lucky draw on our website, please be sure to enter all your details. We do need your full name, your email address, and your cell phone number so you can win this beautiful card at the end of the year. Well done, Wayne.
Thank you.
Let's go.